Hey guys, it's Dej. As usual, we are starting off with the brows already done. Then I go through and clean them up with the CoverGirl concealer. And I'm also going to go through and prime my lids, getting ready for the eyeshadow. And then we're going to make sure to blend that out. So as you guys may or may not know, the Morphe palettes come with a little plastic piece that shows the eyeshadow colors. I lost that a long time ago. So I am using the Morphe 3502 palette here. I will eventually point to the shades that I'm using. But here you'll just see me packing those shades on. So if you guys have actually made it this far in my video and you guys are actually enjoying the content that I'm bringing you, please drop some hearts down below. I love to like connect with you guys and see what you guys would like from me, what kind of looks you guys would like to see coming up next from me. Yeah, let's be friends. Like I want my channel, I want to be very engaged with you guys on my channel because I know that that's something that I look forward to when I'm a subscriber here on YouTube. So yeah, definitely leave some comments down below. I would love to talk to you guys. And here's that color that I used. And after packing that shade on, I blend that out with the orange shade from the Watch Me Blush palette. Baby school pictures came in. I was so happy. Alright, so here I'm cutting my crease using that same CoverGirl concealer. I am going for a half cut crease this time. And I apologize for being out the frame, you guys, but I am struggling right now using that applicator. I need to invest in a better cut crease brush because yeah, the one that I had, it's not working. The applicator works better, but I still kind of struggle there with that. And then here I am just packing on that same color I used to do my crease before, just on those edges. And I'm going to move on to a shimmery shadow here. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's really pretty. And then I'm going to kind of just layer the shimmer shadow and that matte shadow back and forth to blend those in together. Now I'm going to use the lightest shimmer shadow on the palette for the inner lid area. And then again with those two shimmer shadows, I'm just going to go back and forth, layering them on top of each other just to blend them out well. I started getting happy. I liked the way this look was coming out. And then here I go. I added my wing liner and now I'm priming my skin for foundation. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange, using this to correct the dark spots on my face. So y'all, I don't really like the term subscribers, so I'm gonna call you guys my family. So yeah, I had got this comment the other day from one of my sisters, my new sisters, and she said that I inspired her to do a look from one of my looks that I did. And that made me so happy. Like, for me to inspire anybody to do anything with makeup, like, makes me extremely happy, because I still consider myself like a beginner with makeup. So if I can give you guys tips and I can inspire you to do certain looks, I would love to see those looks as well. So yeah, definitely reach out to me on Instagram, Life with Dage, and send me those looks, and I will post them on my videos. Yeah, because like, I think that's just lit that you guys are inspired by me, or you guys are loving the content that I'm bringing you. So I'm just gonna give it back. So yeah, definitely hit me on my Instagram, Life with Dage, same as my YouTube here, and show me those looks you guys are inspired to do from the looks that you see I've done. make sure you guys blend out that foundation. Moving on to highlight, I'm using that same CoverGirl concealer down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and under my eyes, and also a little on my chin. And moving on to set my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline loose setting powder in 35 Deep. For contour, I use both brown shades in the Black Radiance contour palette. And then I use the highlighter shade in that palette to highlight. That's my fave, y'all. I love that highlighter. And then I go in with the orange shade from the Watch Me Blush palette for my blush today. Then I go through and blend out those same shades from my top lid for my bottom eye area. This is the Milani Lip Pencil in Rich Cocoa. And then I go on to add the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. Alright, so here is the final look, guys. If you guys enjoyed this look today, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below so we can chat. Also, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.